English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're really happy you're spending your time with us today.
Today's topic is extremely important for real life.
Yes, today we're talking about making requests politely in English.
This is something you do every day.
At work,
At home,
in shops.
with friends.
And polite English makes a big difference.
Let's start very simply.
A request is when you ask someone to do something.
For example,
You ask for help.
you ask for information.
You ask for something you need.
Requests can be direct,
But polite requests sound much better.
and polite English helps people want to help you.
Let's compare two sentences.
Sentence 1. Give me water.
Sentence 2. Can I have some water, please?
Which one sounds better?
Of course, the second one.
Polite English sounds friendly, respectful, natural.
And native speakers use polite requests all the time.
Let's start with one small word.
Please,
This word changes everything.
listen carefully. Help me. Not polite. Help me, please. Polite.
Repeat after me slowly. Please. Please help me.
Very good.
Now let's learn one of the most common polite structures.
Can I?
You can say, "Can I ask you something? Can I use your phone? Can I sit here?"
Very natural English.
Listeners, repeat slowly. Can I ask you something? Can I use this?
Now let's ask someone to do something.
We use can you.
For example, can you help me? Can you repeat that? Can you open the window?
Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Can you explain again?
Excellent.
Here's an important tip.
You can add politeness at the end.
For example, can you help me, please? Can I see the menu, please?
This sounds very polite and natural.
Let's practice with short mini conversations.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need? Can I ask you a question, please?
Of course. Can you speak slowly, please?
Yes, no problem.
These small conversations happen every day.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me out loud. Can I ask you something, please? Can you help me? Can you repeat that, please? Thank you.
Excellent work.
One more important thing.
Polite English reduces fear.
People respond better,
You feel more confident.
and conversations become easier. Daniel, let's make requests even better.
Yes, now we upgrade your English.
You already know, can you?
Now meet its polite cousin, could you?
Could you sounds softer and more polite.
Can you help me?
Could you help me?
Both are correct.
But could you sounds a little more polite. Let's use could you in daily life.
Listen carefully.
Could you help me, please? Could you open the door? Could you explain this again?
Very polite, very natural.
Now here's a secret.
You can add soft words.
Words like just, a bit, please.
These words make requests sound friendly.
Examples: could you just help me? Can you speak a bit slowly? Could you help me, please?
Small words, big difference.
Let's see how friends talk.
Hey Emma, could you help me for a minute?
Sure, what's up?
Could you check this message for me?
Of course. Friendly, easy, natural.
Now let's go outside.
Shops, cafes, offices.
Very common requests.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Sure,
Could you show me this in a different size?
no problem.
Very important for English learners.
Never feel shy.
You can say, could you repeat that, please? Sorry, could you say that again? Could you speak a bit slowly?
Native speakers say this all the time.
Now let's fix common mistakes. Mistake 1. Can you do one thing?
Sounds unnatural. Better, could you help me with something?
Mistake 2. Tell me.
Too direct. Better, could you tell me, please?
Mistake 3. Repeat.
Too strong. Better, could you repeat that, please?
Now let's practice slowly and clearly. Repeat after me. Could you help me, please? Could you explain this again? Can you speak a bit slowly? Thank you so much.
Excellent. Keep going.
Here's something important.
Polite English protects you.
Even if your grammar is not perfect,
Polite requests sound good.
people focus on your respect, not your mistakes.
Before we finish today, let's talk about something very important.
Polite English is not just about language.
It's about how people feel when they hear you.
Polite requests make people comfortable,
They make people listen.
and they make people want to help you.
Many learners think, my English is not good enough.
But polite English hides mistakes.
Even if your grammar is not perfect.
Politeness makes your English sound good.
Listen to this. Could you help me? Versus, help me.
Same meaning, very different feeling.
Now let's listen to a full conversation, slowly and clearly.
Listen first, no pressure.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course, what do you need?
Could you explain this form again?
Sure, let me explain it step by step.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Very calm
Very respectful.
and very real.
Now let's listen again a little faster.
Don't worry if you miss a word. Excuse me, could you help me with this?
Yeah, sure, what's the problem?
I don't understand this part. Could you explain it again?
No problem.
This is how people really speak.
Simple, polite, natural.
Sometimes situations are stressful.
Maybe you're late.
Maybe you're confused.
Maybe you're nervous.
Useful sentences.
Could you give me a minute, please? Could you help me with this? Could you please wait a moment?
These sentences save you.
Confidence does not come naturally.
It comes from practice.
Every polite sentence you speak,
Builds your confidence.
one request today is progress.
10 requests next week is growth.
Here's your challenge for today.
Speak 3 polite requests out loud.
For example, could you help me, please? Can I ask you something? Could you explain this again?
Say them slowly.
Say them confidently.
If you are watching this video,
It means you care about improving yourself.
you are not lazy.
You are learning step by step.
And polite English is your strength.
Remember this.
You don't need perfect English.
You need kind English.
And polite English is kind English.
Now go to the comments.
Write 1 polite request in English.
For example, could you help me, please?
And if this lesson helped you,
Subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
we post new English conversations every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.